Thanks for tuning into this video, guys. We've got Denver here, our Walker specialist, and we're going to run through 10 of the frequent questions we get asked about the Walker Mower. So Denver, why is the Walker considered a premium mower?
The Walker's considered premium because nothing cuts like a Walker. It's got an extremely high quality of cut and it considers them a premium machine.
And what makes the Walker cut so precise?
It's due to the out front floating deck. It follows the ground perfectly. It's sometimes eye-opening how unflat your lawn is, but that leaves a consistent, even finish.
Yeah, and how does the Walker compare to other zero-turn mowers?
Well, as I said, probably the most noticeable thing is the quality of cut. The precise steering and the maneuverability sets them apart. It's unmatched.
And is a Walker suitable for both residential and commercial work?
Depending on the model, but definitely. They're just as at home on a private property as what they are on a contractor's ute.
Sure. So what kind of properties benefit most from a Walker?
Anywhere where presentation is important, but they really do shine on undulating lawns, especially when you've got intricacies or obstacles you need to work around.
And how does a Walker handle slopes and tight spaces?
Again, depends on the model, but collection machines, the non-collection machines have one of the lowest centre of gravities out of any other zero-turn on the market, which means they do perform incredibly stably on slopes, and they do make it very manoeuvrable in tight spaces.
And what's special about the Walker collection system?
Well, Walker Manufacturing are the only zero-turn manufacturer out there to design a collection machine from day one. So their first machine they ever built was a collection machine, but their on-purpose design leaves a perfect, clean finish every time.
Right, and do the Walker mowers have enough horsepower to run the large decks?
Absolutely. So the commercial machines are shaft-driven, meaning you're losing less power like you would through belts and pulleys on a traditional zero-turn mower.
Right, and what kind of support or dealer backing do you get?
Well, you can visit the website and see the dealer finder. You've got local dealers, you've got trained technicians, genuine parts, and a long-serving team at SME behind you.
Sure, and then the burning question, why is Walker worth the investment?
I suppose you're paying for the premium performance and the premium finish and a long service life. The first machine that was ever imported into Australia is still in service today. That's in 1984. But from a commercial sense, you could be making a lot more money in a day. But from a private property owner, you don't have to buy the most expensive machine. If you wanted it, you don't have to pay for all the accessories up front. The machines are very customizable, customized per property and per owner. So you could start off with the base model and add accessories as you go.
Nothing cuts like a Walker.
Correct.